next week. This is a typical bowel wall we talked about in lecture today. And the four main layers, this is the mucosa from here to here, submucosa, muscularis externae, and then serosa. Okay, now under mucosa there, you see lamina propria, muscularis mucosae, you know. This here is, this gray stuff in here is the lamina propria, okay? And this pink right here is the muscularis mucosae, okay? So lamina propria is the gray area, and this pink right here is muscularis mucosa. You can see here, these are the individual cells of the epithelium. The blue represents the goblet cells that are secreting mucin, you know, and the other ones would be simple columnar, okay? Now, before I go to submucosa, well, actually, let's go to submucosa, because there's going to be other stuff I'm going to show you here in the mucosa here. So submucosa, again, is this gray area, and the thing that's on there is that submucosal plexus, Meissner plexus, it's nerves, and it's these yellow things in here. Muscularis externae, this layer here, this inner is a circular muscle, this outer is a longitudinal. In the stomach you have an oblique muscle layer too. And then this is serosa. If it's the esophagus, it would be adventitious. And you can see if you look at it, it's a single layer of cells, simple squamous, serous membrane. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is look down there under D, duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. You see those? D. See those five things: intestinal villi, intestinal crypts or crypts of Labricon, lacteal, duodenal submucosal glands or Brunner's glands, and Peyer's patches. You can see all those things in this model also, and that's all. Most of those are under either mucosa or submucosa. So intestinal villi, that's what these things are here. Okay? That would be a villi. It increases surface area. Intestinal crypt is where it comes down right in here. Right there. Or you can see it on the side here. These are intestinal crypts. This is where you're going to be secreting some intestinal juice and enzymes and stuff. Okay? So intestinal crypts. Lacteal, that's how you absorb fats. That's this green thing in here, in the lamina propria. That's the lacteal. Brunner's glands are duodenal submucosal. They're only in the duodenum. They secrete bicarb that's going to neutralize the acid coming out of the stomach, or at least try and help. And that's these blue things right here. These glands right here. That's Brunner's glands. And then Peyer's patch was this blue thing here. That's lymphoid tissue. Okay? So you will see this model on the next lab practical. Unfortunately, we only have one, so it would only be 3 questions on it probably. Okay? So make sure you take a look at that one.